Hi everybody, thanks for watching all of the Crow drone videos and for coming over and watching this video today. Watch to the end of the video, stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to have a giveaway. I had a lot of people ask me when I was studying for my drone test why I was trying to get a certification to fly my drone. Why was I doing that? Because anybody can fly a drone, which is correct. Shoot a video for you. You have to have this Part 107 license. What can Crow Drone do for me? What can I benefit from this? There is some things that I can do for you as a certified remote pilot in command, as they call it, and see what I can do for you as Crow Drone. Crow Drone will be giving away a prize. To enter that prize, what you need to do is to subscribe to my channel. Just hit the subscribe button and then make a comment below that says, I want to fly with the Crow. A week from today, I will draw one person at random to win a 2 to 3 minute video that I will shoot with my drone of your home or business. Now you have to live somewhere in the Alliance area. So, Sebring, Minerva, Canton, Alliance, Atwater, anywhere in that area I'll come to. If it's any further away, we'll have to talk about travel costs. So I will come to Hawaii, but you'll have to buy my plane ticket and at least let me sleep on your couch. If you have a moment to go over to my Facebook page as well, Crow Drone Company. All right, thanks. Good luck to everybody in the upcoming drawing next week, and happy flying.